Hi friends, in this video some definitions of synchronous motor. The first definition, blocked torque or locked torque. Blocked or locked torque. So tell me, what is blocked torque or locked torque? Like that they will ask you. Blocked torque or locked torque is nothing but the torque developed by the synchronous motor at NR is equals to 0. Nothing but blocked condition. When NR is equals to 0, at that condition, the torque of synchronous motor is called blocked torque or locked torque. This is very simple. Next one. What is next? Pull up torque. What is that? What is the definition of pull up torque? Pull up torque is nothing but the minimum torque developed by synchronous motor. This is the minimum torque developed by synchronous motor at starting condition with the rated voltage and rated frequency. The pull-up torque is nothing but the minimum torque developed by the synchronous motor at starting condition when the motor is going to start. At that condition, with the rated voltage and rated frequency is called pull-up torque. Okay, next, third one. What is third one? Pull-in torque. What is the definition of pull-in torque? Is nothing but the torque developed by synchronous motor. This is also torque which is developing by the synchronous motor at running condition with the rated voltage and rated frequency. This torque is nothing but at running condition when it going to enters into the or pulling enters into synchronism. At that condition, when the motor is going to in synchronism, at that condition, the torque developed by the motor, this is must and should at rated voltage and rated frequency. So these are the block torque, pull-up torque and pulling torque. Now the next one, pull-out torque. Can you tell me the definition of pull-out torque? This is the maximum torque developed by the synchronous motor. What is this? This is comparatively maximum torque developed by synchronous motor when the rotor rotates at synchronous speed with rated voltage and rated frequency. Comparatively, they will ask you a question, which of the following torque is the maximum torque? Like that they will ask you a question. The maximum torque is the pull-out torque. This is the maximum torque developed by my synchronous motor when my rotor is rotates at synchronous speed with the rated voltage and rated frequency. This is simply the pull-out torque definition. Another fifth point is there. What is stalling torque? This is also, they may ask you a question, stalling torque. So tell me, can you define? This is torque developed by motor Any motor. This may be in DC machine also, in induction machine also. The torque developed by motor when the rotor speed reaches to 0. Here, rotor speed nothing but NR reaches to 0. At that condition, some torque is developed by the motor. That torque is called stalling torque. Here, my rotor is going to stop. At that condition, my rotor is reaching to 0 speed. At that condition, the torque developed by the motor is called stalling torque. Is it okay? And next one, these are the actually torques, the different torques in our motors. What is blocked torque or blocked torque? Pull-up torque. You should remember this sequence. First, locked torque or blocked torque. Next, pull-up torque. Second, third, pulling torque. And fourth, pull-out torque. This 4 sequence is important. Okay? So this is the different definitions. Another one small definition is there. You should tell this definition. What is a synchronous coil? Can you tell me? Up to now, we discussed about synchronous condenser, but now, what is synchronous coil? Can you tell me? So, first of all, synchronous condenser, nothing but I given you a no load, overexcited synchronous motor. You know this very well. Nothing but this is equivalent to capacitor. That's why it is called condenser. This is mostly equivalent to capacitor, which is used to improve the power factor. Capacitors are used. As usually, now my question is, what is synchronous coil? Now tell me the definition. Synchronous coil, nothing but a no load, underexcited, very good answer, underexcited synchronous motor is called synchronous coil. This is equivalent to inductor and this is equivalent to capacitor. These are the different definitions in our synchronous motor. Right? Got it? Okay? Thank you.